In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze team performance using CRM reports, and I'll do it in just 3 minutes. Stick with me because by the end of this, you'll have a clear process to measure how your team is really performing, and I'll even share a tool that can help you do it more efficiently. Make sure you watch until the end because I'm giving you an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using in the description below. Let's dive right in. First, the most important thing when analyzing team performance in CRM reports is to identify the right metrics. Every CRM will have different reports, but common ones to look for are sales numbers, response time, lead conversion rates, and customer satisfaction scores. These metrics show how well each team member is performing in their specific role. Now, focus on sales performance. Look at each team member's conversion rate, which is the percentage of leads they successfully convert to customers. This is crucial because it reflects not only their effort, but their efficiency. You can break this down further by looking at how long it takes them to close deals. If someone is taking too long, it could indicate they need more training or support. On the flip side, if someone is closing quickly, they might be overcommitting or missing important steps in the process. Next, let's talk about response times. In your CRM, you should be able to track how quickly your team is responding to customer inquiries. Delayed responses can lead to lost opportunities. Analyzing this metric will help you identify who needs help in improving their responsiveness or who's handling customer service effectively. It's a simple metric, but one that can make a huge difference in your team's overall performance. One of the most underused but critical CRM reports is the lead follow-up report. Are your team members following up with leads regularly? If not, this is something that could really be dragging your performance down. Look for reports that show how often each person follows up on their assigned leads. This will highlight who's proactive and who might need a bit more encouragement to stay on track. Customer satisfaction scores should also be part of your analysis. A satisfied customer can lead to repeat business and referrals. By tracking these scores within your CRM, you can assess how well your team is meeting customer expectations. If scores are low, you can use that data to offer targeted coaching and improve team performance. Once you've gathered your data, it's time to put it all together. Review each team member's performance by comparing them to the overall team averages. Are there any glaring differences? Identify high performers and see what they're doing right and learn from them. For underperformers, pinpoint where they're struggling, whether it's sales, response time, or customer service, and focus on helping them improve in those areas. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that the software we're using in this tutorial offers a lot of in-depth analytics and reporting tools that can help you track all these metrics easily. And because you're watching this video, you'll get an exclusive free trial link in the description. Don't miss out on this chance to try it for yourself and follow along with the tutorial. Key takeaway: when analyzing team performance using CRM reports, focus on key metrics like sales performance, response times, lead follow-ups, and customer satisfaction scores. Break down the data and use it to spot strengths and weaknesses within your team. By regularly checking these reports, you'll ensure that your team is performing at its best. To quickly recap, identify the key metrics, track the right reports, analyze the data for individual performance, and use that information to support your team's growth. And again, make sure to check out the free trial in the description to start analyzing your team's performance today. Thanks for watching.